What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be cleaning out my truck and pretty much cleaning the seats, carpet and everything, like a full clean. And this is real time right now. This is how my truck looks like on a day-to-day basis. Got all my tools in the back, some plugs, switches, everything. Definitely a work truck. So I ordered some Wet Okole seat covers earlier this year to throw on, because when I put these guys on, I didn't really like it. So I ordered them and they just been sitting on the side, so I decided now's the time to throw it on. But I've hesitated to throw them on just because I wanted to like really clean the seats first before I do put it on, rather than putting it on and having all of the dirtiness underneath it still there. So I'm gonna remove everything from the inside of the car and we're gonna clean it with this thing. So we'll see how that goes. So we're gonna get to removing everything inside the cab right now. But before we get into cleaning, I set up my other camera, I don't know if you guys can see it good, on the suction cup, just so you guys can get a good view of me cleaning the truck. Sorry, the glare, but this is pretty much how the 360 camera works. Okay. Can look at the angle you want to see, and this is actually what's going on right now. See, I'm moving my hand, looking at the camera. Look at those waves though. Pretty much you'll be able to see all the cleaning and stuff that we do, rather than having me use this camera and try to do things with one hand. And I know plenty of you guys always say, oh, you gotta get on a tripod. Never mind the tripod. Let's get these. So let's get back to it. Gotten this far. As you guys can see, all of my panels in my back interior are all scratched up due to all my tools being here, putting in and out my tools and whatnot. But you can see some of the dirt there, dirt here, some dirty spots here for where the seat covers kind of open up. These things look dirty. A quarter. Got some coins over here that fell out my back pocket throughout the years. Dollar, $10, no, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Can go buy lunch now. Looking way cleaner already. I pretty much just wiped down all the seals and the panels everywhere before we start off cleaning this thing. Both front and the back. I thought it was way cleaner than before, but it looks a little, still looks a little rugged. All my scratched panels, but we're gonna now figure out how to use this thing. We got this as a gift from my wife and I's wedding shower, so thanks to whoever gave this, but thank you. So it said to fill it with hot tap water and add some formula. And I guess we gotta plug it and then try them. This, I want you guys to see close up, because I'm not too sure if this camera would catch the details, but here. Pretty much good. Way cleaner than before. And this is pretty much what we ended up with. Oh, look at that. Oh, there's too much glare right now. But damn, for real though. So the answer to the question, how dirty is the interior of this 22-year-old Tacoma, is right here. I'm sure we could get like more dirt out if we took off like the seats and pretty much took apart the whole interior, but we're not trying to do that today. I just wanted to clean the seats a little bit for getting ready for the new Wet Okoles. And I don't know, I guess you pour it out over here from here. Ooh. Damn. Look like oil. So we're pretty much done for today. Just gotta let everything dry out now. Clean, not bad. But yeah, so probably tomorrow, after everything is dry, I'm gonna throw on the Wet Okole seat covers, which would probably be next video. And now I just gotta clean up and organize things and put some stuff away, because we for sure can't put it back in here today. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, drop a comment down below, share vids, and subscribe. Peace.